If your X or Twitter profile is locked, private, or protected, and you want to unlock it so your posts are visible to everyone again, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make your X profile public again in just a few taps. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want more visibility, more engagement, and a profile that anyone can view. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your X account from the app or from your browser. Once you're signed in, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. Click or tap More to open the full menu of account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account, privacy, and safety controls. Next, click Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll find the settings that control who can see your posts and how your account appears to other users. Now search for the option that says Protect Your Posts. Depending on your device, you may need to scroll a little or use the search feature inside Settings to find it faster. Once you see Protect Your Posts, open that setting. If your account is currently protected, you'll notice that this option is turned on. To unlock your profile and make it public again, turn Protect Your Posts off. You may also see an option related to protecting your videos, so make sure that is turned off as well if it appears. After that, confirm the change if X asks you to verify your choice. And that's it. Your X profile is now public again, which means anyone can view your posts, and your previously protected posts will also become visible. If you were trying to unlock your account for better reach, more followers, or just to make your profile easier to find, this is the setting you need. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.